my name is DJ Ogunaja. So I would be going through the installation of Java. So, but particularly focusing on automation testing. So, or this is applicable to anyone. Actually, if you're going to install Java, these are the step-by-step procedure on how to do that. Before we continue, right? I just want to quickly ask, has anyone been able to install Java? If you've been able to install Java on your system, can you just type yes? And if you have not been able to do that, can you say no? So I will know. If you have not been able, you don't have Java on your system, say no. If you have, can you say yes? Okay, cool. All right, brilliant. So it seems there are a lot of people that have got Java and some guys also. So I will be very, very fast then. Okay. Someone is saying we should do a recap on Git. I will try to do that as well. So, okay, it seems there are a lot of people that have been able to install Java. So, and yeah, it was going to be an interactive one. So if you're not able to chat, please can you, send your message on the Telegram so I'm able to see your question, then I can answer them as well. So if that is okay. All right. So because there are a lot of people that have been able to install and there are some of them that have not been able to install. So I'll just go quickly on it. So then there'll be time that we have time to do like a practical. So, all right. So we just start now. So introduction to Java JDK. So how to install Java. So one, the first thing that you need to first verify or confirm is if you got Java installed. I've seen situations where people thought they've got Java installed, but they haven't, because it's kind of a lot of confusion in there. Java has got different versions. So it's a Java SE, JDK, Java GRE, Java. So you need to be sure that you have got the right version installed. So the best way to do that is to first, I will always advise people to close all windows that we opened, because sometimes you will think there's some pop-up that you will be expecting because you've got some windows open, they're hiding under that particular window. So I would advise before you start the installation, make sure you have a clean Windows. Nothing is open, everything is closed. So that will be my recommendation for start, basically. So then you open your command prompt. To open your command prompt, basically just need to come like here and just say CMD and you press enter. So once you've done that, you have your command prompt opened. Then, so that's what you need to do. So you have command prompt. So that is a part there. So after that, what do you need to do? You need to enter Java version, Java-version, or at the same time, you also need to see Java C version. So if I do that on my system quickly, so like that, Java version, and then as well as Java compiler version. Okay, can I ask everyone to do that? So just quickly do that. If you're able to do that, can you send a screenshot of what you see quickly? Let's try to do that quickly. So if you're able to see this, that means you don't need to do this process I'm going through. But if at any particular time you see an error displayed, then there's something that is not yet to write. I'll come back to that right now when I finish this session. So if you can do a screenshot of that. So I'll come back to that. So, okay. So now, if you see an error like this saying Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, that means there's something not right. Is that you've not got Java installed or your path is not configured properly. So you will need to go through this particular step I'm going to go through right now. So, okay. But if you see something like this, that means you are okay. You should be able to see the version of the Java and also the compiler as well, Java C. yeah, compiler. So you need to see both of them. But if you don't see any one of them, so you need to go through this particular step that I'm going to go through. So quickly, what you just need to do is to go to oracle.com. So when you get to oracle.com, so what you know, just click on product. So when you click on product, that should give you this screen. So you will see all Oracle's products. So you are interested in Java, so you click on Java. So once you get that, that takes you to this particular page. So on this page, you just need to click on download. So I know that some people are going through this session with me, so I'll still go back to it later so that you can follow me. So, but just bear with me, no problem. I would come back to this one. So yeah, so the next thing that you need to do now is to download the JDK, right? So I really want to emphasize that you are looking for JDK solution, not JRE. So you need to click on download. Then you need to now download the respective one. So for this particular training, I'm going to focus on Windows Java installation. But if you are using Mac OS, you should, yeah, download the appropriate one that is required for you. So then after that, you can, so it will give you this option. So you can click on download JDK. As of today or yesterday, actually, this is the recent version, the most recent version, 14.02. So that will be the version that of Java that we are going to be using, Java 14. So, and you can click on download. So that should start downloading for you. So as you can see in this particular top left hand corner of my screen. So okay, sorry. Yeah, so after that, once you click, so when this is finished downloading, you can click on that so that you can start the installation. So this is now the installation now. So download is finished, so we are now in the installation. It's fairly easy, right? So you just need to click on next, basically. So you click on the next button. So then that takes you to this particular screen, so that you are installing the JDK 14.02. So you click on the next button. So after that, you have this particular window. This is very, very important. So bear in mind, you need to consider and also look at this particular location that you are installing your Java JDK. So because you are going to use it in the later part of this particular training when you are setting up the JAVAHOME. This is very, very important. So make sure you, whether you're going to do a screenshot or you're going to memorize it, is very, very important. But just to know that location it's very, very important. Then after that, you just click on next. So that should start installing for you, and it's quite simple, and I think also it's also straightforward and also very fast as well. So you can then click on close, and that is that. So that should, yeah, you can just click on close. So don't worry about that one. So you can click on the close button. So that is that with installation and downloading of Java JDK. The next one is going to be your JAVAHOME, basically, right? To do your Java home path, yeah, update your JAVAHOME path. So what do you need to do? So in the same way, we've got our Java path. To get that, what you need to do is the same way we've done before. You need to go to environment variable. So once you go to your environment variable, so I can quickly environment variable. So let me advanced settings. Okay, so we are here right now. So you just need to look for your path. So this is my path. So, and you click on edit this time around. So you will see this. So, and I would advise everyone is like, if you see something like this, you put your path at the beginning. Control home. Or if it's then just go to the beginning, and that you will be able to yeah, you open something like that in other windows actually. So where you have edits, you can actually edit by putting your stuff here, basically, depending each screen that you saw, whether you saw the screen that, okay, all right, someone said the voice is breaking, so apologies for that. So okay, so if you, I'm going to go back to that one. Sorry, 1 minute. So, okay, I just need to close this one, start all over again. So, okay, all right, so I'll go to advanced, click on this. So I need to go to environment variable. So if I go to environment variables, I'll locate my path. So I can click on edit. So I can set up my variables from there. So that I can be able to add that one. So that's what I'm actually saying. So, and you can put your JAVAHOME at the beginning or at the end. So also, sometimes it might bring this one for you as well, so that you can be able to add. So you just need to add your JAVAHOME at the end, and you can push it to the top, basically. That's fine, if that's okay. So once you've done that, you click on OK, and then you click on OK, and you should ensure that you close all the system. Install, you do the same thing that I've done before. So just type C version and as well as version. So you should be able to see the version of Java that's been installed. So I think that is, and as well, you can also ensure that you know your JAVAHOME is working. So you can do echo underscore home. So okay, I'll check this one. I think it should display the right version of your JAVAHOME, basically. Okay, all right, cool. So someone said I should repeat this step again. So okay, so what you need to do is basically from here. So the first thing, you just need to go to your system variables. I think I've showed to you how to get there. So you just need to type advanced search from here, advanced. So, and then if you type advanced variable, so advanced settings and if what's it called, the one I told you to go through Window Explorer, it will get you to the computer name, then you need to click on advanced. But if you go through advanced settings, it takes you automatically here. So you can click on environment variables, and then what you then need to do is locate your path and click on edit. And that is your path. And I can show you that you just need to go to the beginning, copy this path, your percentage JAVAHOME. Basically, this is what you need to append. I'm going to send it to you. So you just need to append that to the beginning of your variable. Or if you did not see this, you might also as well see a screen like this. So what you just need to press is you press the new button, and after you press the new button, it's going to appear like this, that you can type something. So then you can type Java percentage Java underscore home, then percentage, then also backslash, then bin, or forward slash rather, forward slash the bin. So I'm going to send that right. Any question?